Tired of lugging around a bulky wallet? Let's ditch the plastic and learn how to use Wells Fargo's digital wallet for easy, secure, and cashless spending. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it. Next, open the Wells Fargo app and tap the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. In the menu, look for the option labeled Digital Wallet, Card Settings, or something similar. Tap on that to proceed. Now, you'll see options to add your Wells Fargo debit or credit cards to your preferred digital wallet, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Tap the Add to your preferred wallet button for the card you want to add, and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and complete the setup. To make a contactless payment in store, simply wake up your phone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You may need to authenticate with your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode, depending on your phone settings. You can also use your digital wallet for online purchases. When you see the Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay logo at checkout, just tap it to quickly and securely complete your transaction without entering your card details. Finally, manage your transactions and keep your account secure directly within the Wells Fargo app. You can view your recent purchases, set up alerts, and report any suspicious activity. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy the convenience and security of using the Wells Fargo digital wallet. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.